This literature kit on The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain includes before reading and after reading questions, along with suggested writing activities to help fully engage students in the book. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students brainstorm the differences and similarities between Huck and Jim before predicting the outcome of their interaction. Explain how Huck tries to help the gang on the shipwreck. Put events from the story in order as they happened when Huck meets King and Duke. Students reflect on the relationship between Huck and Jim as it progresses through the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as comparing the friendships between Jim, Huck, and Tom in a 3-circle Venn diagram. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete an essay framework, either defending or opposing the idea Huckleberry Finn is a good person. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.